Today's move is not hard. Doing it well is hard. Before you go to the pendulum or the 180 turn, you need to figure out how to dribble first. Let's get into it. I want you to start off by getting your range of motion. Just walk in place. Drag your foot on the toe as far back as it can go comfortably. Most people mess up this step right here and they get these short, stubby dribbles. But if you can extend and roll all the way back, oh man, it's about to look super duper smooth. Make sure you're pointing that toe so you can feel it roll across the ground. It is super important. Quality over quantity. Take this step slow and keep it smooth. Dribbling is like air walking on your feet. You want to make it look super smooth and look like you're really moving in place. That means when your foot comes down and you connect on all fours, then the second foot goes. Start slow and focus on getting that full range of motion. It's not important that you go fast. It's more important that it looks smooth. And by keeping it smooth, you're going to be able to avoid one of the really big downfalls of the dribbles. Super duper ugly dribbles. Now I want you to practice the pivot. You want to put one foot forward and then you're going to turn to the inside and you're going to rotate your body 180 degrees. One more time. One of your feet comes forward and then you're going to rotate your body to the inside. Look at this position in the middle. This is because I'm rotating to the other side. Let's look at the whole body do it. I usually do 4 dribbles in turn, but check this. Out, turn, and now I'm in the middle. And then I push that shoulder over and I'm over on the other side. One more time. Front foot, turn in. This ain't a scene, it's a swagging contest. Make it pretty and make sure you're extending your ankle and getting a nice full range of motion on these dribbles. I can't use my back wheels and I'm making it look like I'm walking, but I'm still focusing on making sure it looks like I'm actually walking with the dribble. Use your arms on the pivot. Let's run that back. Look at that swipe as I come into the pivot. Swipe to help me make that 90-degree turn. This is super important if you're going to make this smoother. Oop, swipe again. Every single pivot, every single one. Swipe, yup. And that's all, folks. Gotta get the yeet. The video, smash that subscribe button. And if you really want to help out the Boss channel, make sure you're sharing this with your friends. And if the tutorial works, tag me on social media at DBZYTV. It really helps. If you feel led, you can donate to the channel on PayPal, and you can also join my Patreon coaching subscription service. I have 3 levels: bronze, silver, and gold. On all 3 levels, you're gonna get early access to the Boss tutorials as well as early sneak previews of the Boss course. In addition to these extras, you're also gonna get video reviews. For the bronze level, you get 5, silver 10, and for the gold, you're gonna get 10 video reviews in a monthly checkup. For the video reviews, I'm gonna take a look at a video of something that you wanna learn. I'm gonna break down the moves that you need to do on your feet to get that move, and I'm gonna break down the moves that you need to do on your skates to get that move, so we can fast track your progress. Well, until next time, Largo and Boss fam.